Butcher Paper BBQ. Could this be the best barbecue in the South? Let's look closer and find out. Well, I stumbled upon this little barbecue joint, and at first glance it gave me impressions of a warm and welcoming place. With indoor seating, outdoor patio seating, and a newly constructed outdoor picnic area, this barbecue pit was already wafting aromas of smoked wood and meats throughout the area. Opening here at this location in 2018, owner Mark Coxwell originally would spend his free time testing out his rubs, sauces, and techniques while using his friends as guinea pigs. Eventually those smoking experiments expanded to special events here in Opelika. What began as a hobby grew into an instant hit as barbecue sandwiches quickly sold out at a special event a few years ago. Fast forward a few years later, and this hidden gem here in the South welcomes those who crave and savor the flavor of tender smoked meats, ribs, chicken, sausage, and more, topped with incredibly sweet, spicy, and savory sauces. Wow, let's dive in and take a closer look. The brisket, tender, juicy, peppery and smoky. Look how deep the smoke penetrates the glistening, flaky meat. The pulled pork, stringy, tender, full of flavor, and those barky ends that add so much flavor. The pork ribs, pretty good. Not the most super tender fall off the bone, but has the nice crust of flavor and the smoke penetrates all the way to the bone. The sausage, full of chopped up pieces of jalapeno peppers and cheese, this is a winner. Douse it with your favorite sauce, perfection. The small brisket sandwich, small? No way, not by any means. This thing was massive, and yes, it was only $6 at the time of this filming of this video. The mac and cheese, smoky hints of creamy deliciousness. So if you're in the area, be sure to stop in and give this place a try. Hey, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at Butcher Paper BBQ. Tell me in the comments below of your favorite go-to barbecue joint and why. Be sure to give this video a nice like and thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe below, and we'll see you on the next one.